Kanta lang Idol ba? Kanta lang
Ah,
kasi
sige,
Idol.
host.
Nanonood ba ako kay ano? May upcoming pala si Idol. Gustukan ko muna to.
There's a calm surrender to the rest of day. When the heat of the rolling wind can be turned away. Anytime, that moment, and it seems me true. It's enough for this restless wonder just to be with you. Can you feel that love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wild eye wonder that we got this far. Can you feel that love tonight? How it's let you rest. It's enough to make you sad, make up once. Live up every day. Thank you guys, maraming salamat. There's a time for everyone, in the only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope move us on a turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outcome. When the heart of this time is broken, it's a time with yours. Can you feel the love tonight? And it's where we are. It's enough for this wild eye wonderland that we got this far. Can you feel the love tonight? How it's let you rest. Someone sing. It's enough to make it sad, make it wrong. Pick up everything. It's enough to make it sad, make it wrong. Pick up everything. Alright.
Alright.
Host, back to you. Baka may gusto kang sabihin, host.
Ayun na nga. Sir Emil, maraming salamat po sa inyong ha. Thank you so much po. And of course, bukas po, ang aking co-host guys, ay meron pong Grand LS yan bukas guys at 3 p.m. sa mga nangailangan sa akin guys. Magbibigay po sila ng 7K na na tawag dito, na saging. Ayan, kaya huwag niyo po kalilimutan pumunta bukas guys. 3 p.m. Mr. Eugene Paranyal, maraming salamat. Sir Yudes, last song na po, Sir Yudes.
Ah, sige, host.
Alam ko, pupunta Sir Yudes na na kasi magpo-promote kayo. So maraming salamat. Tugang Mate.
Aga pa. Spend half my life looking for the reasons things you say. Half my life trying to make din.